Hey everyone, Veronica here, and I'm back again in the Daily Kitchen today, sharing another small kitchen appliance tutorial. Today I'm using my Nova Life nut milk maker to make walnut milk. So if you've never made walnut milk before, walnut milk is actually a really great way to get walnuts into your diet. You basically just can drink them instead of having to add them to salads or chew them and things like that. Maybe it's getting a little boring for you. It has been for me. So I've been deciding to make walnut milk so that I can get the benefits of walnuts into my diet without having to constantly eat walnuts all the time. So to make walnut milk with a nut milk maker, you basically soak 1/2 of a cup of walnuts, make sure that they're raw, overnight or for about 7 hours, and I keep mine in the refrigerator with a lid in a mason jar. Then you're going to discard that soaking water and then combine the soaked walnuts into the walnut maker with 4 cups of filtered water. And then I just set my walnut or my nut milk maker to make nut milk, and that's it. And as you can see, walnut milk comes out super creamy. It's really delicious. I like to add a few drops of stevia extract to sweeten it without having to add any extra sugar. Now, in all of my nut milk maker tutorial videos, I've been sharing with you my newest kitchen tool that I just am obsessed with. It's this nut milk alternative strainer. So if you've ever made any kind of nut milk or soy milk, you know that the process of straining out the fiber from the milk can be daunting. And honestly, I had given up on making nut milks at home because it's so labor intensive to sit there and squeeze milk through a nut milk bag. It's really a lot of mess and it takes a lot of time. But now that I have this new device, all I do is pour the milk through it. It has a fine mesh straining area and it holds 4 cups of the nut milk. And all I do is basically just push it down with this little device, handle pusher thing, and it squeezes out all the milk for me. This takes me just about 30 seconds to do. It's very minimal. There's no mess on my counter. It's super easy to clean. I share a link in the description below of where you can purchase this online because this tool has been a game changer for me. So what I do is I actually go and I wash out that strainer and then I pour the milk through again. And I do this as many times as I need to. If there's any fiber left over, because I really don't like a gritty texture in any of my nut milks. And I found that I can actually make nut milk at home and soy milk with this nut milk maker that tastes basically like store-bought milk, but instead it's fresh. It's not sitting in a little carton for like a year. And then all I have to do to clean this nut milk maker is just pour some water into it and then I set it to the cleaning mode. And then after that, it takes just about 10 minutes and it self cleans itself. So talk about mess free. This device has been such a game changer. I've been making soy milk and nut milks every day at home. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial for how to make walnut milk, and make sure you check out the links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this similar nut milk maker or that straining device. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe. And I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.